All C3 and C4 hydrocarbon streams, which include propane, butane, propylene, and butene, would add to LPG pool, and the same would be supplied to 3 public sector oil marketing companies for domestic supply. इन सभी प्रयासों की वजह से हमारा domestic LPG production has increased by 25%. And all these domestic LPG is being directed towards household consumers. For non-domestic LPG, priority is being given to essential sectors such as hospitals and educational institutions. A 3-member committee of executive directors of oil marketing companies IOCL, HPCL, and BPCL has been constituted to review the allocation to restaurants, hotels, and other commercial users. The committee is consulting with state authorities and industry bodies to finalize a plan to ensure that available LPG is distributed in a fair and a transparent manner. On LPG prices, the government has absorbed a significant part of the cost increase to protect the consumers. The current price of domestic LPG cylinder in Delhi is 913. domestic LPG cylinder का दाम दिल्ली की मार्केट में लगभग 913 रुपए है, and this is after the increase of 60 rupees. Without intervention, the market price would have been much higher. For PMUY beneficiary, Ujjwala beneficiaries के लिए सिलेंडर का दाम 613 रुपए है, and for a PMU household, the recent 60 rupees increase translate to less than 80 paisa per day. It is important to note that even though the Saudi contact price, which is the international LPG pricing benchmark, has increased by about 41% since July 23, the PMU price has actually fallen by 32% during the same period due to government support. Rupees 30,000 crore compensation has been approved for oil marketing companies for their under-recoveries in LPG. Even today, LPG price in India remain lower than in many neighboring countries. Let me also address the report of panic booking. Feedback suggests that some panic booking and hoarding behavior has been triggered by misinformation. इसके बारे में मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि हमारा जो normal delivery cycle है for domestic LPG, it remains around 2.5 days. So अगर आप सिलेंडर बुक कर रहे हैं तो 2.5 दिन के अंदर आपको सिलेंडर की आपूर्ति होगी. इसीलिए I request there is no need for customer to rush book the cylinder. So panic booking करने की कोई आवश्यकता प्रतीत नहीं होती है. To prevent diversion at the distributor level पर diversion को कम करने के लिए Delivery Authentication Code System और DAC is implemented. इस system के तहत उपभोक्ता द्वारा मोबाइल पर प्राप्त वन टाइम कोड को डिलीवरी करने वाले व्यक्ति के साथ शेयर करने के बाद सिलेंडर की डिलीवरी कंफर्म होती है. हम डीसी कवरेज को करीब 90% उपभोक्ताओं तक पहुंचाने के लिए काम कर रहे हैं, जिससे कि डाइवर्जन की संभावना काफी कम हो जाएगी. कंज्यूमर के लिए Let me
complete हो जाने दीजिए, उसके बाद जरा complete हो जाने दीजिए step.
As a temporary demand management measure, the minimum gap between LPG booking has been increased from 21 days to 25 days. At field level, OMC officers and anti-adulteration cell are coordinating enforcement to clear distributor backlog and ensure smooth delivery. अंत में मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि ये एक वैश्विक चुनौतीपूर्ण स्थिति है, लेकिन भारत की ईंधन आपूर्ति नियंत्रण में है। सरकार स्थिति पर लगातार नज़र रख रही है और घरों और प्राथमिकता वाले क्षेत्रों की सुरक्षा के लिए आवश्यक कदम उठा रही है। हम नागरिकों से आग्रह करते हैं कि वे घबराकर बुकिंग करने से बचें, अधिकारियों के साथ सहयोग करें और वैश्विक अनिश्चितता की इस अवधि के दौरान जहां संभव हो ईंधन का संरक्षण करें। धन्यवाद।